Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, we're diving into the basics of calligraphy alphabets, perfect for beginners. All you need is a chisel tip ink pen and a 4-lined calligraphy practice sheet. That's it. The first thing to know, hold your pen at a 45-degree angle. This is what creates that signature contrast between thick and thin strokes. Before writing any letters, practice your basic strokes. Vertical lines, slanted lines, compound curves, horizontal lines, and even dots. These are the foundation of every alphabet. Once you're confident with the strokes, start building your uppercase letters by combining them. Move slowly and deliberately. This is calligraphy, not a handwriting test. Now let's move to lowercase letters. Here's a helpful tip. Break down each letter into single strokes. That means lifting your pen after each stroke. It helps create cleaner curves and more precise shapes. Remember, consistency comes with practice, so keep at it, enjoy the process, and don't rush your progress. Thanks for watching and happy lettering!